Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And today I'm going to pick one of these Corbin Russwin LFICs. See if we can get a focus here. Yeah, don't have any housings for these. Something I kind of wish actually I've been wanting for a while, but I do have keys for both of them, key to like. And I'm actually debating on whether or not to try and modify this lock to accept, Corbin Russwin LFIC. As you can see, it's pretty much the same size. The only thing I would have to do, after looking at this yesterday, is take just a tiny bit of metal off the inside of here and here, either that or on the core itself. The only thing I'm kind of scratching my head about is how I would go about machining, milling, or whatever, filing a pocket for that control lug to slide into there to lock the core in the lock. Have a few ideas. I'm just not sure what way to go about it just yet. If anyone has any suggestions, don't be shy to let me know. But enough blabbing, let's try and get this picked, and I'll show you guys what's inside. Notice the hardest thing about these is really chucking them up in the vise. You can't chuck it in like that because you're touching that control sleeve there on the bar, and that's enough to lock it up, or to mute all your tension, to mute all your feedback, I should say. So I just, like I said, this is the trickiest part. Just kind of slide my leather there to give it some extra grip, and slide it down so we're not on the control sleeve. Not the prettiest for the camera, but it's actually blocking some of the light. But we'll have to go with that. It's the only way I can chuck this up to where it actually gives me feedback. So another thing I've noticed is since it has control on 4 chambers there, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 1 and 6, or in the 7th pin, 1 and 6 and 7 are always first to bind. I should get a turn on the core here after picking 6. It was slight, so I'll try it again. Okay, good click on 1. Good click on 2, and now we got to pick 2 through 4. Made that sound easy, but again, it is 2 shear lines, so can't mix and match them, and just got to go by feel. If we get a turn on the core, usually it's a sign of progress. I've already picked 2 pins. Oh, there we go. I was going to say I already picked 2 or 3 pins and lost all feedback, but 1 pin left. I think it was number, not 1, not 2, but 3. So yeah, we'll show you guys what's inside and how these kind of how these operate. I'm sure most of you already know, but yeah, there's lots of videos out there on how IC locks work. My phone just showed it's about to die, so I hope I can get through this. So there's a control key and operating. Try to speed through this here. Try to use these. get it. Take the C-clip off, I should say. Maybe not. Maybe so. And take the operating key. Yeah, again, hope my phone doesn't die. But we get the most of it out here. I know these are all going to be standard, but I'll still show you guys. Because that's what we do if we pick a lock. Oh, that one goes there. Nothing special about the core. Now, first chamber is going to have just one pin, but 2 through 4 is going to have 2. Oh. That goes there. Oh. Oh, we didn't lose the order of how these ones went. I'd have to look over the camera here. Oh. We did lose this one though, but pretty sure it went like this. I'll confirm that when I put it back together. Again, and last pin. Okay, so there's the pin work, and we can take this sleeve right out and take a look at the core. So yeah, if there's no pin bridging this gap, those springs would let this turn enough to get a control pick. So I believe the pin stacks in these 4 chambers have to equal 115 thousandths, if I'm not mistaken. Corbin Russwin uses a different system. It doesn't, when you get one of their pin kits, it doesn't use thousandths, it uses letters, I believe. Or pluses and minuses. Numbers and pluses and minuses, I believe. But there's a way you can use thousandths, which is what I've done to pin this. Anyway, so yeah, nothing too special. I'm going to try and finish this before my camera dies. But yeah, who knows, maybe next time you see this, it might be in this lock here. I would love to have a housing for these cores, and I'm a cheap guy, so yeah, maybe I'll make one. Alright guys, as always, I appreciate you guys jumping in and spending some time with me here, and yeah, don't be shy to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care guys, thanks again.